Hello students, let's learn today multiplication of algebraic expressions. So before doing multiplication, let us learn some steps. Number 1. Multiply the numerical coefficients. Already we have learned that an algebraic expressions consist of constant and variables. Constant parts, that means that is the numerical coefficient. So how to multiply the numerical coefficient? Just you have to multiply the numbers, but before doing the multiplication of numbers, we must have to check the sign, and we have to follow the sign rule. If we are multiplying positive and positive to positive, then it must be positive. When we are multiplying positive and negative, it the sum is the product is negative. When negative and positive, the product is negative. When negative and negative we are multiplying, the product is positive. And when odd number of negatives are multiplied, then the product is negative. But even number of negatives are multiplied, the product is a positive. That already we have learned in integers also, or in any multiplication we have to follow these rules, sign rules. Now multiply the literal coefficients. When we are multiplying the literal coefficients, that means the variable parts, we have to follow the laws of exponents. That is, if we are multiplying a multiplied with another a, that means here a having power 1, here this a having power 1, and when we are multiplying this to a, then we have to add the exponents, so it is a square. When we are multiplying b square multiplied by b to the power 4, we have to follow the same rules, and we have to add the exponents, and we are getting b to the power 6. After that we have to multiply both the numerical part and the literal part. Now let us multiply monomial by monomial. Monomial means a single term. So here we have to multiply 5ab by negative 2bc. So how to multiply? Already we have discussed that we have to multiply the numerical parts. When we are multiplying the numerical parts, that means here 5 is the numerical coefficient and negative 2 is the numerical coefficient. So it becomes negative 10. Now a, here there is no a factors, so a will be single. Now b, here b and here another b, when we are multiplying, same we have to follow the laws of exponents, and here b to the power 1 and b to the power 1, that means b square. Here there is no factor c, so here c. That means the product is negative 10 a b square c. In this way we have to find the product of monomial by monomial. Next, if there are 3 monomials, also we have to follow the same rules. Here all the numerical coefficients we have to multiply. Here what is the numerical coefficient? Here negative xy, that means the numerical coefficient is negative 1. That means we have to multiply 2 into 3 into negative 1. These are the numerical coefficient. After that x square, and here x, here x, we have to multiply. Then we have to multiply y, here y square, and here y. Now we have to follow the, here we have to find the numerical coefficient, the product, -6, and we have to follow the laws of exponents, product law, x square into x, that's equal to x raised to the power 4, and here y into y square into y equal to also y raised to the power 4. Now, binomial by monomial. If we are finding the product of a binomial by a monomial, here 3x square plus 4y square by 5xy. This is one monomial, and here this is the binomial. That means 5xy, we have to multiply 3x square plus 4y square. That means we have to multiply this monomial by each term of the binomial. Here 5xy we have to multiply by 3x square and also 4y square. Now 5xy is multiplied by 3x square plus 5xy multiplied by 4y square. Now let's find the product. Now already we have learnt how to find the product of monomial by monomial. Here we are getting the monomials. 5 into 3, 15, x into x square, x cube, here y, plus 5 4 ja 20, here x and y to the power 3, that means y cube. Next, binomial by binomial. If we are multiplying a two-term expression by another two-term expression, then what is the product? How to find the product? 3a minus 2b and 5a plus 3b. That means here each term of this expression must be multiplied with each term of another expression. That means 3a will be multiplied with this total expression first, then negative 2b is multiplied by the total expression. Let's write stepwise. 3a we have to multiply it by 5a plus 3b. Here negative 2b multiplied by 5a plus 3b. Now monomial by binomial. So 3a, now 3a we have to multiply by each term of the binomial. So 3a we have to multiply by 5a plus 3a into 3b. Here negative 2b, negative sign here, so negative 2b into 5a, again negative 2b into 3b. Now we are getting all, each term is monomial by monomial. Now we have to multiply 3 into 5, 15, a into a square. Here plus 3 into 3, 9, a into b, ab. Here minus 2 into 5, 10, a into, here b into a, ba we have to write ab, minus 2 into 3, 6, b into b, b square. Now this is the product. But before going to final answer, we have to check that whether any terms are having like terms. Any terms are like terms, these two are like terms, so we must have to find the standard form. 15a square, here plus 9ab, positive 9ab and negative 10ab, that means that's equal to negative ab. negative 1 AB, that means we need not to mention negative 1. We have to write negative AB and minus 6B square. So this is the final answer of this product. Now, trinomial by binomial. That means we have to multiply a 3-term expression by a 2-term expression. Here, this is 2-term expression and this is 3-term expression. Now, just like before, we have to multiply each term of this binomial. We have to multiply each term of the trinomial. That's equal to 3p. We have to multiply by 2p square plus 3p minus 5. Here minus means we have to write here minus 2 into 2p square plus 3p minus 5. And that's equal to, we have to now find the product of each term of this trinomial by this 3p. Now 3p multiplied by 2p square plus 3p multiplied by 3p plus 3p multiplied by here negative 5. The term is negative 5. So we have to multiply negative 5. Here negative 2 multiplied by 2p square minus 2 multiplied by 3p minus 2 multiplied by negative 5. At last we are getting all monomials. Now 3p into 2p square, that's equal to 3 2s are 6 and p into p square equal to p cube plus 3 into 3 9 p into p square plus 3 into negative 5 here it will becomes negative 15p. Now negative 4p square, here negative 6p, here negative and negative, it becomes positive 10. Now let's check whether any terms are like terms. 6p cube. Now 9p square and 4p square, these are like terms. So 9p square negative 4p square equal to positive 5p square. Now negative 15p and negative 6p, we have to find the sum, that's equal to negative 21p and plus 10. In this way we have to find the product of polynomial by polynomial. So already we have learnt how to find the product of monomial by monomial, binomial by binomial and binomial by trinomial. Hope everyone understood how to find the product of algebraic expressions. Thank you.